Sakkat weather maga. Hey, what daddy? That is my favorite. Hey, what daddy?
Hello everybody, welcome to 18 Commune, one of the newest restaurants in Bangalore, and we have with us one of the most talented, most loved individuals from India, and also Virat Kohli. Have I said it right? Virat?
Yes, you have. Thank you so much, Rahul. Thanks for being here with me and giving me some of your precious time.
The pleasure is all yours, Virat.
Thank you. Great to see you. Thank you for being the first guest at 18 Commune in Bangalore. And I would like to ask you some questions if that's okay with you.
Is that okay? It's okay this.
You won't get offended, na?
No, I won't.
You sure?
Yeah. I'm very cool, वैसे.
Who's your favorite cricketer?
Oh, that's a very tricky one. And I have to be very honest, you are close second.
Really?
Yeah, very close second. Sachin Tendulkar is my favorite cricketer.
Mine also.
But you're very close second, Virat. Now I have to take out my facade. I'm a big fan.
Thank you.
Of course, but yeah. Close second. And maybe by the time you end your career, you'll be on top. Yeah.
No, that won't happen because for me, he will always be on top. So I'm happy being the second.
Yeah.
But thank you so much.
Okay, so I have two more questions for you.
Okay.
It's a very controversial one.
All right.
Sweet sambar or spicy sambar? You
Okay.
have to settle the debate
God.
because everyone's watching.
So Virat, although I love Bangalore, I'm also a Tamilian. And I must say, I never understood sweet sambar. I mean, you can't have sambar which is sweet. It has to be spicy.
I'll leave the answer to you.
You're
I'm not going to answer that
you're not gonna
because
reveal your...
when I step out of Chinnaswamy, there are 5,000 people there.
Yeah.
I want them to still greet me. Okay, so I don't want to be in trouble, so I'm going to stay tight-lipped. The third question,
Hanji.
tell me the best thing about Bangalore. And you cannot say the weather because I've seen your stand-up video and the only thing you mentioned is weather.
Yeah.
Something else.
Okay, there are two things. One is Bangalore is the only place where I love walking in these small streets, and I think it's very lovely.
Yeah.
एक और चीज जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है, the latest restaurant 18 Commune. That's how you plug in.
Yes, I
Yeah.
love it. That's
I'm all-
exactly why we have him here.
But I have a question for you.
Yes.
About the location. इतना जो strategic location आपने पकड़ा है, straight next to the Chinnaswamy Stadium. Plan क्या है कि आप 6 मारो, बॉल यहाँ आके टेरेस पे हमारे गिरे और फिर आकर थोड़ा खाना वाना खा के जाओ.
लोकेशन तो आइडियल है. पहली बात तो बैंगलोर में अच्छा रेस्टोरेंट चाहिए जिसमें खाना अच्छा हो.
Fair.
Right?
Great.
I'm not talking about street food. I'm talking about restaurants.
Yeah.
Which is a definite guarantee with 18 Commune. There's no doubt about it. Talking about sixes that land on the terrace.
Yeah.
I'm not the right person to talk about it. There are two individuals who've done that in Bangalore many times. Chris Gayle and AB de Villiers. Both have hit the ball to Cubbon Park और ये
Nice.
बगल में ही है.
हाँ.
तो वो उनका एक कॉपीराइट है वहाँ पे. वो वहाँ पे आके टेरेस में खाएंगे. उनका ही अड्डा होने वाला है वो. मैं सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस के बाद एक चीज I haven't been able to do in Bangalore. होटल जाते हुए have a place where I can eat good food and go to the hotel. अभी सामने है. मेरे से बिल तो लेंगे नहीं ये लोग. मैं तो जाऊँगा.
Let's hope.
हाँ. Hope? मेरे से भी लोगे. How did your association start with Bangalore?
I've been going to Bangalore every year since my childhood because my cousins stay there.
Okay.
And I also started dating my girlfriend there. She also broke up with me there. We know the RCB connection, but apart from that,
The first connect with Bangalore, actually we used to have all the National Cricket Academy camps there. So I actually went to Bangalore when I was 13 the first time. And these camps used to be 2.5 to 3 months long. So I spent a lot of time there. And then IPL happened.
Yeah.
I was picked by Bangalore. I ended up becoming a Bangalore boy. People were confused actually after a while whether I'm from Delhi or
Delhi
Bangalore.
or Bangalore, yeah.
Then when I met Anushka, I found out that she grew up in Bangalore herself.
Oh wow, I didn't know.
Yeah, her father was posted in Bangalore. So she literally grew up there. She had so many friends there.
And now you know me, and there's
Oh,
one more
I mean,
Bangalore
this was the cherry
most.
on the cake. If I didn't know you, I don't think my Bangalore cycle would have been complete.
Lockdown में I'm sure 1-2 साल कहीं जाने को किसी को नहीं मिला. That time I'm sure you also were missing coming to Bangalore. How did it feel वापस आना?
It's something that I can try to put it in words, but I cannot explain the emotion behind it. Because when we landed in Bangalore at the airport, and when people saw me after 2 years, what I saw in their eyes, I cannot explain to you. You know that genuine happiness and like ear-to-ear smile seeing me? It made me very emotional actually. I could never have imagined receiving so much love.
Wow.
अच्छा खाना भी देना है इनको?
Thank you.
क्या बात है? You must try both.
Oh, this food looks lovely. Being an MBA, I have to ask you a few MBA questions
Okay,
also.
पूछो.
ठीक है. आपने ये जो नया venture start किया है with your partners, I want to know who's the target audience?
in all the other places that we've done so far, it's about inclusivity. And that's exactly what we want to bring to Bangalore as well. It's
Fantastic.
designed for all communities, hence it's called 18 Commune. And the menu is living proof of that. That when you see the menu, you feel like, oh, there's something for me, there's something for me, there's something for me, and I can enjoy delicious food across whatever preferences anyone has. Yeah.
आप जब पहली बार आए बैंगलोर में,
हाँ.
which is like a long time back.
Yeah.
At that point of time, what were your favorite food to eat here?
Yeah, the revelation for me was dosas. पहली बात तो बैंगलोर में I ate a dosa and I was like, ये डोसा होता है? दिल्ली में तो बीटरूट भी भरा हुआ है, गाजर भी भरी हुई है बीच में. That was the revelation. And crispy dosas for me was like unreal. That is something that I would never forget, that first experience. And the second dish I tried which stood out for me was chicken 65. Well, 30-40 pieces I used to smash in one go.
30-40 pieces.
Yeah.
How old were you?
13 when I went there for the first time.
So you were a finisher तब से,
Proper.
है ना?
मैच खत्म होना हो, खाना कभी नहीं छोड़ता था मैं.
मुझे आप ये बताइए, weird food combination सबके होते हैं. And be honest ना, be
Eating chili chicken with dry tandoori roti and mint chutney.
okay.
Or just the
Oh, dry कुछ.
Yeah,
no,
nothing.
no gravy anyway.
no gravy. Suki
interesting.
roti, chili chicken and mint chutney.
Interesting.
That used to be,
Yeah.
but now it's changed to.
Yeah, but it's still not that. I mean,
It's not weird. I won't call it. But yeah, it's off.
yeah, I have a few which are very weird, but
Please.
I'm very proud of it. Banana chips with ketchup. Yeah, I know. This is the first reaction, right? Yeah, but go beyond it. Give it a chance. It's
Really?
amazing. And second is veg fried rice with dal tadka. Guys, you have to try this. Yeah,
दाल तड़का.
and veg fried rice. अरे आप भूल जाओगे खाना.
आपको मैं एक चीज बताता हूँ.
हाँ,
Try making fried rice
हाँ.
with vegetable stock. Have you ever
Veg
made
stock.
it? Yeah.
नहीं, but कर सकते हैं. हाँ.
It's outstanding. It's better than any street side fried rice you've eaten in your whole life.
बहुत मजा आया खा के.
So अभी भी खा
I like this one a lot. I'm gonna take one.
asparagus tempura, I think, sushi. Love it.
कन्नड़ा वर्ड्स या बैंगलोरियन स्लैंग्स कुछ सीखे आपने? एनीथिंग दैट
एक तो मेरा फेवरेट टैगलाइन है कन्नड़ा गोतिल्ला. मुझे से कोई बोलता है कन्नड़ा में तो मैं 2 वर्ड बोल देता हूँ, then that person backs off. उसको लगता है मुझे आती है. I don't know, but a few words I've seen, observed over the years. One is ye guru, that, then hey what daddy. Yeah, just these yaar. I mean, this is what we mostly hear in the cricket circuit. उसके अलावा I don't know many. What about you?
I also know very little. I understand a lot of Kannada because I
Really?
know Tamil. I know Tamil. तो काफी
Okay.
similar है.
Okay.
Eragade is my favorite.
What is that?
This side, that side.
Tamil, I understand only 2 things. Minnadi,
Minnadi Punnadi.
Minnadi?
Pinnadi.
Munnadi, Pinnadi.
Yes.
Munnadi means आगे.
Yeah. Pinnadi means
पीछे.
पीछे.
हाँ.
और Kannadi means glasses. Just fun fact for you. It's just extra knowledge. विराट, आपने तो मुझे बात करने नहीं छोड़ा ये टॉपिक में. At least can you please talk about the Bangalore weather मगा?
Oh, सख्त weather मगा. मेरे को बोला किसी ने बोल देगा, मेरे को आता नहीं है.
सख्त नहीं, बहुत सही बोला आपने.
Weather in Bangalore, I mean, you can't ignore the weather in Bangalore. हमारा एक कैंप होता था summer time. When we reached Bangalore, it was afternoon. Like ठीक है, sun's out.
हाँ.
Evening, it was windy in summer, 24 degrees.
Yeah.
I got confused because I came from Delhi. It was almost 40 degrees. And the fact that we had to wear a light jacket every evening in summer was the thing that actually made me fall in love with Bangalore.
एक गेम खेले क्या? अंताक्षरी नहीं. We'll play something very interesting.
Okay.
This game is called Let's Find Out How Bangalorean Virat Kohli Is.
Oh God.
ठीक है? It's rated on a scale of 1 to 10. मैं ही हूँ जज.
ठीक है.
मैं आपको एंड में रिजल्ट्स दूंगा.
ठीक है.
अभी रेडी विराट?
Yeah.
Okay. चुम्मा.
Yeah, ऐसे ही.
Yeah. Well done. 1.5.
1.5.
Yeah, but context बताना क्या है इसका?
इडली लेते हुए?
नहीं. I'll give you a hint. Mode of transport.
बस. ऑटो? नहीं.
हाँ.
ऑटो रिक्शा?
Yeah.
ऑटो रिक्शा में 1.5 means? What does that mean?
मतलब आप बैठे ऑटो रिक्शा में, बोला MG रोड जाना है,
हाँ.
वो बोलेगा 1.5 मीटर में, मतलब जो मीटर में आएगा into 1.5. They are very good in math, no? तो आपका मैथ बहुत इंप्रूव हो जाता है इसमें.
Oh, wow, that's why I ended up paying so much money. I never knew.
मैंने क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन वही पढ़ा. पावम.
I've heard it so much. I just don't remember the meaning. Innocent?
Yes. Adjust ಮಾಡಿ.
Adjust करो.
हाँ.
थोड़ा.
हाँ.
Please.
Virat, I must say you're doing pretty well now. 3 out of 4, that's not bad at all. Yappa.
Is that to depict surprise or astonishment?
Yeah, but use it in a line and then I'll give you points.
Like if you're shocked to see, yoppa, like if you're shocked to see
Yeah.
something which you didn't expect.
Like if you're shocked to see your favorite comedian sitting across
Yeah, I was like, when you came in, I was like,
Yup.
yoppa, right?
you. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Good stuff. Punter.
Punter is like a friend who's
थोड़ा सा है.
thoda.
अपने ये वाला tough है. OC. Okay. Now I don't want you to guess immediately. I'll give you some hint. OC is something everyone likes. ये है hint आपके लिए क्योंकि ये थोड़ा tough वाला है.
No idea. I've got no idea. What does it mean?
अगर आप नो बॉल डालते हो तो बैट्समैन को एक चांस मिलता है.
मुफ्त की चीज.
हाँ. That's it.
OC is free.
Free.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
कैसे था मेरा क्रिकेट इंटीग्रेशन?
Brilliant.
Thanks. Next one. Virat, you're still doing well.
Okay.
Next one. Put off.
Full put off. Like that?
No.
I've never heard anyone say that, honestly.
Okay.
Just put it, so that doesn't count, but put it in a sentence. I might.
Okay. Maga, let's put off a scene tonight.
What?
Now you get.
I understood. To make something happen.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. It's a very like friends getting the.
Okay. It's cool, yeah.
All right, Virat. Next one. It's also pretty simple. Sar.
Sir, not sir.
Yes.
Yeah, that I've heard.
Yeah, that you have heard. Yeah. Virat, last one. All right. If you get it right, then you are passed.
Okay.
Jang. I'm going to spell it for you. DJANG. Jang.
I'm sure I've heard this somewhere.
I can use it
In
in, the
that
sentence. This
zone.
one, if you want.
I don't think I'll get it. Okay, go ahead.
Virat Kohli is a Jang person.
Matlab mast or cool.
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 Okay, cool.
I'll give it. We'll give
Thank
it.
you so much.
Thank you, folks. I think that was fantastic by Virat. Virat, you scored a massive 9 on 10.
Wow.
In fact, it's 9.5, and for good handwriting, we'll give you 10.
Thank you.
And you are a true Bangalorean. Big round of applause wherever you guys are for Virat Kohli. What a wonderful performance. Virat, how does it feel?
Feels great clapping for myself. कोई तो कर दो यार. 10 बार आंसर दिया.
There's a 5-second delay because these guys
Yeah.
are watching it on TV.
No, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having me here.
Pleasure. Thank you so much for being here.
It's an absolute pleasure, and I look forward to come with my friends and family to this wonderful restaurant.
Absolutely, you're more than welcome anytime in the future. We would love to have you all over again. And everyone who's been watching and who's seen our interaction, please come and visit 18 Commune in Bangalore,
Absolutely.
as you can be a part of the community that we have tried to create, and you will have a lot of fun. That's guaranteed.